Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market. Today we are going to check the Bitcoin price, if Bitcoin actually is ready to explode to about $60,000. Also, we are going to check the BNB price, if BNB can actually break out of this resistance and the symmetrical triangle and be more bullish to the upside. And also we are going to check the KAVA price as well, as we have got the bullish divergence on the RSI and double bottom actually on the 4-hour time frame. Hello everyone, my name is Mike and welcome back to another episode. As I've been talking about this 200% of the Fibonacci retracement for the total market cap including Bitcoin is finally broken, and Bitcoin on the weekly time frame and daily time frame is still staying above this 200% of the Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high actually we had in 2017 to the low on the 2018. But if we go on the 4-hour time frame and check it out, actually the total market cap including Bitcoin was playing inside of this rising wedge, and now yesterday actually it broke to the downside. It is normal for the rising wedge to break to the downside. Actually 70%, 80% of the time rising wedge broke into the downside. But the thing is, if we are still going to see a higher low on the total market cap or no, if the total market cap going back to the downside actually and make a lower low, it's really bad for the cryptocurrency. But it's still making higher low, as we can see on the chart. We still have got the higher low to the previous low we had in the 10th of February 2021. And it looks actually really bullish after we had this drop to the downside. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, it looks really bullish, still bullish. As you can see, we had a drop to the downside, but these two big shadows to the downside, it looks like buyers are still interested to buy altcoins and Bitcoin. If I go on the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, as you can see, the 600 billions of dollars is still playing for that one, and now the 550 is broken to the upside. Now the altcoins are playing between the 550 to 600 billion dollars for the altcoin. It is really bullish for altcoins. I think altcoins is still more bullish than Bitcoin. Well, we need to see that one in this week actually. And if we go to check the Bitcoin dominance we have got in here on the daily time frame, it looks like the Bitcoin dominance is still falling to the downside. As we can see on the weekly time frame, actually the Bitcoin dominance every time is trying to break back to the to above the 62% of its own actually, but still the altcoins getting more bullish and the Bitcoin dominance is still falling to the downside. I think if Bitcoin dominance cannot hold actually the 60% as a support, the next one is going to be around the 57% for Bitcoin dominance. And now it's time to go and check the Bitcoin price we have got in here. I'm going to show you what do we have on the Bitcoin charts actually. As you can see, Bitcoin is still making a higher high and higher low on the daily time frame. It looks normal. We're still bullish on the Bitcoin price. The thing is, we had a drop last night actually from $49,000 to about $46,000 to the downside. But the good news is this red line we have got in here was working as a support. Actually, is still working as a support. And as you can see, this white line we have got in here once was broken. It looks bullish for me, to be honest. As you can see, this white line was broken to the upside. Now is back testing this white line and is still going back to the upside. It looks like really bullish for me, Bitcoin, and this red line was working as a really good support for Bitcoin as well. The thing is, this area, which is about $46,500, is really important for Bitcoin. As you can see on the chart as well, it is really a really good support for Bitcoin we have got at the moment. And as Bitcoin can hold this price, actually $46,500, I think this is really bullish for me, and it's gonna move the Bitcoin price to the upper price. And if I go to other chart I have got in here on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, what do we have? We have got the few supports area in here. As you can see, this area was working as a really good support for Bitcoin. It was working as a really good support in here, but just once was working as a resistance in here, and after that was working as a support. Every time Bitcoin price dropped to the downside, this about $46,000 area was working as a really good support for Bitcoin. Now this time last night, actually Bitcoin broke the downside and went back to about a $46,000, dropped by about $3,000. And now, as you can see, there is a big shadow to the downside. This one actually was working as a really good this candle actually is a hammer candle, and as you can see, we have got the morning star. As I told you before as well, there is a one red and a green candle like a hammer one, and the next one is a green candle as well above the 50% of the red candle we have got in here. These three candles is giving us actually a morning star candle, and after that Bitcoin is going to be a really bullish. I think this week Bitcoin is going to be really bullish and is going to be more bullish than altcoins we have got. And the resistance we have got at the moment is about the $48,000 zone. As you can see, the $48,000 to 48 and $500,000 we have got in here. I'm going to show you in this one. Yeah, as you can see in here, I told you once if Bitcoin break above the $48,200 area, is going to be really bullish. But what we saw actually, we had a fake breakout to the upside and Bitcoin went back. Actually, this triangle is still working really good for Bitcoin, but what we saw actually, we had a fake breakout to the upside and Bitcoin couldn't continue to further prices, and now Bitcoin is going back inside this triangle. The good news is Bitcoin is still playing inside this triangle we have got in here. I think that was like a stop hunt for the shorts. Actually, everyone was short actually about this area. We had a shadow to the upside to about $49,700, and the stop got haunted. Actually, after that Bitcoin dropped again, and now it's time for Bitcoin to rise to about a $60,000 area. As you can see, actually what we have in here, we have got the move to the upside and triangle, ascending triangle in here, and once more time we have got a move to the upside. I think there is 100% of this move is going to continue to the $60,000 for Bitcoin as we have got in here. The other thing I'm going to show you on the daily time frame, I told you for several times actually this purple line was working really great for the as a support. Actually, as you can see in here, it was working as a really good support once broken to the downside, and Bitcoin price was trying to break above this purple line we have got in here, got rejected. It was with the Elon Musk pump, actually the second time got rejected again. Now it's broken and Bitcoin price is above this purple line we have got in here, and it's working really great as a support for Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin now it's time to break to the upside and move really fast to the further prices to the upside. I'm going to show you something else I have got in here. Actually, I was wondering why $47,000 for Bitcoin is really important as a support. But what I found actually in here, as we go like a Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high we had in 2017 to the low we had in 2018, $47,000 for Bitcoin is got broken with the 261% of the Fibonacci retracement. As you can see, it got broken to the upside and now is back testing. It is really important. I didn't know about that one till today. Actually, as you can see, anytime price of Bitcoin is trying to break below the $47,000 area, actually it gets supported because that is a 261% of the Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high we had in 2017 to the low we had in 2018. Now $47,000 area is a really good support for us. Actually, we have got in here, as you can see. Let me just put the label price on that one as well. As we can see in here, $47,000 area is actually at the staying at the 261% of the Fibonacci retracement from the 2017 to 2018 we had. Going to Ethereum, we have got in here, I told you for the several time, as Ethereum was playing inside in here, once broken to the upside and got back tested to the downside to the upper line of this rising channel we had, and again actually moved to the upside, was playing inside this rising channel, broke out of this one and now is back testing the upper line, is working really great as a good support we have got on the Ethereum. Actually, let me go on the other chart I have got for Ethereum as well. What do we have in here? We have got, as I told you for several times, I told you actually we have got the ascending triangle in here, and the resistance got broken was about the $1,400 area. Anytime the Ethereum price is actually trying to move back to the downside, buyers step back into the market and buy more Ethereum. The other chart I have got for Ethereum in here, let me go on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, Ethereum it looks like playing as Bitcoin does, and Ethereum actually is playing inside this ascending triangle. Once as a fake breakout broke to the upside, now is going back inside this ascending triangle in here as well. Same as Bitcoin, actually we have got the support area for Bitcoin was about a $46,000 area. For Ethereum is actually about a $1,700 area, is going to be a really good support for Ethereum. I'm going to show you the other chart I have got for Ethereum as well. Now what we can see in here on the 4-hour time frame, or we can go on the daily time frame as well. Ethereum is actually doing really well inside this rising channel we have got, and once Ethereum can break above this the upper line of this channel we have got, is going to be a very fast bullish. And what do we see in here? We have got the resistance was about the $1,400 area got broken, and now we have got the support about the $1,590. If Ethereum drops the downside again, I think this area is going to be a really good buy for Ethereum. As we can see, this area is the lower line of this rising channel we have got, and it's a really good support for Ethereum as well. I'm going to show you the other chart of the other coin actually I have got in here. It's really bullish for me. We are on the daily time frame actually, and if I go on the 4-hour time frame, we have got the resistance in here, but this KAVA actually is really bullish for me. As you can see on the chart, we have got a double bottom in here, and we have got this purple line working as a really good support, and this area actually is a resistance for me. But the thing is, on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we have got a really big hidden divergence on the RSI. As you can see, the price is going up, but we have got the RSI is going down. This is the really bullish divergence for KAVA. Actually, we have got another thing I'm going to show you. It's BNB we have got is really bullish for me as well. There is no divergence on BNB, but I think once BNB can actually break above this $140 is going to be really bullish for me, as I'm expecting to go about the $160 at least actually, and after that moving for the $200 for BNB. It looks really bullish, it's not bearish for me. I'm expecting BNB once can break above this triangle we have got in here, as a two white line we have got symmetrical triangle, and we have got a resistance about 136 to $140. Once BNB can break above this one, it's going to be really fast bullish for me. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you in the next one.